Down payment. Let me solve a problem relating to the down payment. Problem number 2. The statement says that the price of a Lamborghini is $1 million. If the buyer has good credit, they need to put down payment 10%. Otherwise, they need to put down payment 20%. Print the down payment. Look, the price of the Lamborghini is $1 million. We all know that Lamborghini is one of the prestigious Italian sports car. If the buyer, the person that he buys, has good credit, they need to put the down payment 10% for that person if he has good credit. Otherwise, they need to put down payment 20%. If the person don't has good credit, they need to put down payment 20%. Now print the down payment. So we need to solve this problem by using the conditional statements. Let's go for the solution here. The price of the Lamborghini is $1 million and high credits equals to true. If high credits, then down payment equals to 0.1 times price. Else, down payment equals to 0.2 times price. Print off down payment colons inside the double quotes, and then comma, and then dollar sign inside the double quotes, comma, down payment. When you run it, you will get down payment $100,000. Look, price is the variable. It is the variable. It is the price of the Lamborghini. Look, we have two variables here. One is the price and the other is the higher credits. Price is the price of the Lamborghini, which is $1 million. And higher credits are the credits of the buyers. High credits equals to true, which means that the buyer has good credits. Now, if higher credits, if the first condition is satisfied, then down payment will be 0.1 times price. We know that 0.1 is the 10%. If you remember, the statement says that if the buyer has good credits, the down payment will be 10%. 10% is 0.1 times price. What is the price? Price is the total price of the Lamborghini. We are going to take the product of 10% with $1 million. Else, the second condition, otherwise, you have to put down payment equals to 20%. What is 20%? 20% is 0.2. So 0.2 times price, which is the total price of the Lamborghini. And then you need to print the down payment. If you remember, the statement says that print the down payment. Print off down payment colons and then space inside the double quotes. Why we put space? We put space because we will have space in the final output. If you don't put space here, you won't have space here as well. So better to put space here and then comma, then the dollar sign inside the double quotes and then comma and then the down payment. What is the down payment? Down payment is this 0.1 times price because it satisfies the very first condition. The program won't jump to the second condition. It satisfies the very first condition if higher credits, because higher credits equals to true, which means that yes, the buyer has good credits. So it satisfies the very first condition. Therefore, the down payment will be 10%. Now we need to print the down payment. Down payment equals to 0.1 times price. You need to take the product of 10% with the total price of the Lamborghini, which is $1 million. So 0.1 times $1 million will be $100,000. This $100,000 will be the down payment with the 10% if the buyer has good credits, with the colons and then with the space because we put space here before the last double quotes and then comma and then the dollar signs. This dollar sign is this one inside the double quotes and then comma, down payment. Down payment is this. 0.1 times $1 million will be $100,000. This is the one way to take the print. There is another way, which is the formatted string. We can also use the formatted string. Let me check the formatted string for the print function. This one, print of F and then single quote down payment colons and then space and then dollar, then curly brackets, down payment and then comma and then the parenthesis. Look, this F means formatted string. Just put F and then quote and then down payment colons, dollars, and then don't forget to put curly brackets for the down payment, you will get exactly the same line, the same output what we got last time. It is just a different way to take the print function. This time we used formatted string. Nothing is different compared to the previous one.